Hi, this video is on how to host your website in 1 minute for free. So you're hosting via GitHub and you go to the repository you want to host, and on that repository you go to setting. You click on setting, and when you click on setting, next you go to under code and automation, you go to pages and you deploy from branch, and our branch here. So I'll be picking main, and that is our root. So I save that. And once I save that, I go back to code, and when you click code, you can see it's showing this ball here pending. It means that it's generating, it's trying to host your website. Once it's done, you get a tick. So right now the ball has changed to tick. So once you see the tick sign, it means it has been completed. So you go back to your settings, and then you go back to pages, and then this is your website. So view sites. So as you can see, this is the website we just launched. Thank you for watching. Bye.